Polyline tool in MudShark can be used to perform many different forms of takeoff. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to best make use of this tool, and also how to edit data after initial input. When first starting MudShark, the Polyline tool will be greyed out. We first need to select the takeoff action we'd like to perform. Click on Working Area. By default, Polyline will be selected when activating Working Area Takeoff. We can verify this by looking at the ribbon. To place a point with Polyline, with your mouse cursor in the viewport, press and release the left mouse button. Repeat this action to create your desired shape. If at any point you make a mistake, press Ctrl+Z to go back one step. To create an arc or a curve, place a point at the start of the curve as you would normally. Then, when placing your second point at the other end of the curve, press and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse to adjust the arc radius. Once we've placed our last point, press and release the right mouse button. Because MudShark knows the working area needs to be a closed boundary, it will automatically connect the first and last point for us. If you're tracing off a DWG or PDF that has not been converted to an image, you can press and hold the Shift key to snap the cursor to a point on your plan, increasing the accuracy of your takeoff. Now that we have a boundary, let's discuss how to make changes to it. First, we need to select the boundary we would like to edit. We can find our boundary from the right side window, inside the Takeoff tab. You can also select it with the Select tool, by simply left-clicking on the desired boundary's edge. With your boundary now selected, you'll see there are circles where you placed your points, and rectangles in the middle of the lines connecting those points. To move a point, click and drag like you would when creating an arc with Polyline. A new point can also be created by holding the C key while left-clicking on a midpoint. C for Create. To delete a point, simply select it and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can also create a new arc or curve between two points by clicking and dragging from a midpoint while holding the A key. A for Arc. When inputting structures and working areas, you can create exclusion zones by tracing a new boundary within an existing one. We always recommend to try and build your structures with the least number of boundaries. This ensures you get the most accurate results.